Hey guys, George from SoundTraxx here, and today we're going to finish talking about consisting and how to really implement that into your railroad operations. We're going to talk about adding in mid-train helpers or pushing locomotives on the back of your train. We're also going to talk about push-pull commuter operations using Tsunami2 and the sound car. So now that we've got our train and we've got locomotive 20 running on this consist, we've added a couple of cars with sound car in it. And so with the sound car decoder, we're able to reproduce the clickety-clack and the flange squeal of our entire train, including the brake squeal. But we want to add an end-to-train pusher. So we're going to pick up locomotive 2588 here. So we're going to take our consist number 20, we're going to go in reverse, increase the throttle a little bit, we're going to release our brakes, and then let's go pick up the locomotive. Alright, so now that we've tied into the locomotive, we've coupled on, let's verify, make sure we're coupled, and we're good. So now what we're going to do to pick this locomotive up is we're simply going to set the CVs for this locomotive to be a mid-train locomotive like we did with this locomotive, CN number 5615. So locomotive 2588, we're going to set CV 19 to a value of 148 because our consist is 20 and our locomotive is facing rearward, so that's 20 plus 128 to tell the decoder it's facing rearward. And we're going to set CV 19 to 148. We're also going to set CV 21, 22, 245, 246, and 247 for our mid-train. So let's pick this locomotive up. I've already preset the values in CVs 21, 22, and so forth. So now when I select locomotive 20, I can now move forward. You'll hear the brakes release, and you'll see that all of the locomotives now move together in unison, in addition with the sounds of the sound car. So again, this is how easy it is to simply pick up helpers on your locomotive. So advanced consisting comes in really handy when you're setting up push-pull operations for your cab car commuter services. So for example here, using a sound car in our passenger car, we're going to have the horn and the bell play on the cab car, but we're going to have the locomotive control the speed and the other sounds, the brakes and things like that would be appropriate. Now when they're consisted, you'll hear the brake squeal out of both sets, but you're going to hear the locomotive working. Right now it's in HEP mode, head-end power, function 16 is enabled. So as we get ready to go, this consist is set up as consist address number 10. So we're going to blow our horn and leave the station. And you're going to hear that the locomotive's in HEP, so your prime mover doesn't really change and it's ready to go. Now for more information on what we've just talked about, be sure to check out the user's guide under the manuals tab on our website at SoundTraxx.com. All of the information can be found in the user's guide, but if you get stuck or have any questions, our support department's a phone call or an email away. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. We're posting every week, so be sure to subscribe.